Alright guys, we back with a beautiful 1991 Cadillac Brougham d'Elegance. Yes sir, she has the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. She has a little over 17,000 miles. Paint has minor imperfections and blemishes. In my opinion, she's a solid 7. From 5 feet away, she's a 10. Frame and floor panels are solid, lower doors are solid. Interior is absolutely beautiful. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues. If you don't like the flashy wheels, throw the stock ones on and she'll still be an absolutely beautiful ride. Let's check her out. I walked around it 3 or 4 times. This one spot I found over here in the rear filler I'm finna show y'all guys. But other than that, it's right there in the rear filler. But other than that, she has minor blemishes. It's one sweet ride. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Let's check out the top. Nice and clean. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid in good condition. And she does have the factory RPO code sticker. I'll get in there for y'all guys to check it out. I like to decipher all the codes myself. As y'all can see, she's solid as a rock. Trunk nice and clean. And she does have one of my favorite features. Automatic latching deck lid. Interior is in excellent condition. She has power windows, power locks, digital gauge cluster, seats nice and clean. Headliner. Let's check out that dash. We'll see the mileage on startup. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in good condition also. Can't go wrong with a Cadillac. They ride absolutely amazing. Deck lid. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has a 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. She has power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Nice digital gauge cluster. And as y'all can see, she reads a little over 17,000. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. That's what we call running like a sewing machine, guys. Don't miss out. Your dream car or truck is literally one call away. Every hard-working man should at least have one of his dream cars in his lifetime. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.